Hello everyone, my name is Danielle. In this video, I'm going to give you a normal report on my final project. The title is Enhancement to System Dynamics Model for Evaluation of Urbanization. The idea of this project comes from one of the previous research work, and they studied the effect of the construction investment on urbanization growth, and they built one system dynamics model to evaluate such a effect on the urbanization. And the result shows the GDP growth does have a positive impact on urbanization growth. However, the impact of the urbanization growth to GDP is not considered in their model. So my enhancement is to add correlation of urbanization growth to GDP growth in the module. The project has the whole enhancement has been done by 4 main steps. The first one is to collect required data, and most of the data are already provided in the research paper. The rest of the missing part, I found them from the Chinese government website. The next step is to recreate the original module in Insight Maker. So this is a tool I'm going to use. And the next step is to modify and enhance the module with the assumption that the urbanization growth has a positive impact on economic development. And the last step is to test and verify my enhancement model with the real published data starting from year 2010 to 2019. So this is a snapshot of the module that I recreated in Insight Maker. I just follow exactly the same description as the researcher's paper. And then I add some primitives and flows and links into this original module. So I just named the new stock of the GDP as a new GDP. And then I introduce 2 main variables here. One is the urbanization rate, so which is calculated by the urban population and the total population. And the next one is called urbanization impact to GDP. So the idea of this impact comes from another research paper. So the researchers found that when the urbanization rate increases 1%, the GDP per capita will raise 297.2. So I will use exactly the same data in my enhancement. And then I combine the new urbanization impact in GDP together with the original GDP growth rate together to form the new GDP. And this is the result from my simulation. So this shows the new GDP factor, and starting from 2010 to 2019. And I also compare the results with the real data published from the government side. And we can see the numbers from the enhanced module are generally closer to the real data, especially since 2015. So that shows the modification of this module really works. And this is the result, another simulation from the enhanced module on another 2 factors, the urban construction area and per capita urban construction area. So I also compare the both factors, the simulation results with the real published data. I can only find the published data starting from 2014 and to 2018. So we can see from these 2 charts, in general, I think the simulation results from the module are close to the real data, except they are more generally a little bit higher than the real data. And also there's some fluctuation in the real data, especially on the year 2017, which is very understandable and normal because there are always some other factors that impact the GDP and the urban construction area. So in our module, we don't consider those factors. And in general, I think the enhancement to the original module works, and the enhanced modeling simulation shows a better result for a long-term prediction on the GDP than the original one. And I think that also proves that the urbanization process has a degree of positive impact on the economic development. And thank you.